Hey guys, Jasmine here today, and I'm coming in with a review on this egg chair.
There are so many things I absolutely love about this specific egg chair. It has really heavy duty chains and can actually hold up to 350 pounds. They do provide you with a safety strap on the back, and this is to help prevent any violent shaking, which is really ideal with kids. The outside material is made up of this beautiful handmade rattan. I also really love the width of this specific egg chair. It's about 35 inches in width, which is a lot bigger than other ones on the market. Chair cushion wraps on both sides, making it honestly a super comfortable sitting experience. The cushions themselves are actually super plush. I absolutely love that it comes with this little pillow for your head, and as you can see, it's super full and also has this waterproof material. Also, an added bonus is that there are zippers all over the cushions, so you can actually remove them and wash them when needed. The four-legged base that they use on this chair feels super sturdy. I have truly been enjoying this chair, you guys. You can use it on the inside of your home, on the outside like I am. Honestly, impressed with the durability and stability of it, the overall look, and this is just a great addition to have, you guys. I would highly recommend giving it a try.